Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you now to the new hot sheets. What we're going to do going forward is we're going to shoot the hot sheets twice in a month. We're going to shoot about middle of the month. And in the middle of the month, which we are right now, July, mid-month 2026, we can look forward to the month of August of 2026 and see where it looks like we're going to land. And we can kind of begin to settle up on where July might end up. And then at more or less the end of this month and the beginning of the next month, we'll look at where July or the previous month settled up, and we'll begin to look forward to the next month. So 2 hot sheets per month instead of 1 every week. I've been telling you for about 18 months that we were going to see stability in volume and then increasing and improving volume and eventually price recovery. We're still not to price recovery. Hey, we looked at Watercolor. A year ago and a year previous, we looked at average pricing in Watercolor per square foot. Assuming the mix of homes to be sold across all phases remains the same, we were at $1,110 per square foot 1 year ago, and over the current trailing year, we were at $1,013 a square foot average. Median price point's different. That moves all over the map. Let's look at the numbers. In July of this year, we're presently at 37 homes versus 62 last year. The question is now on the 15th of the month, 2 things. Where are we going in the month of July? We're going to end up at about 81 homes is my guess. We have 74 on the books in the public MLS that are set to close. But I can tell you that usually means 7 to 10% more are sitting there off the books that'll get closed at the end of the month. Private transactions underway, ready to close. So let's call it, we're going to go to 81 for the month of July. Now we're going to start setting up the month of August of 2026. Last year, there were 74 homes sold in August on 30A. This year, we have to get to 74 or above for my thesis to continue to be accurate. And again, we might miss 1 month or so here and there, but I don't suspect we're going to. We're at 27 homes in the public MLS already set to close. The highest price home belongs to the Jabbour Luxury Group as the selling member, and we're looking for that to get closed in the month of August. And we have 2 more coming that are not in the public record yet that will close in August. So I already know we're at 29. Call it 34, 35 right now, because certainly some other real estate professionals have some private market transactions that'll close. That's not a bad spot to be in if you're trying to get to 74. If you recall, in last month's June conversations about the hot sheets, we were at about 15 homes for July in the middle of the month, and we still got to, 74 public, and it'll be 81 by the time we close the month. Same thing's going to happen in August. So despite conflicts in the Middle East continuing and some uncertainty there that we've had since February, it appears to me that the unit volume in this market is fine. Pricing is still a little bit, let's say, ambivalent, but at some point will fully stabilize and start increasing again. I still think we're 6 to 12 months from increasing prices here in this market, but volume is good and people are buying homes. And that's what the hot sheets has been telling us so far this year. And that's what it's going to continue to tell us, that the market works on 30A. And that's the hot sheets for mid-month July 2026.